Hello students, how are you all? I would like to welcome all my dear students 5th B1 and B2 to our online class teaching. This is subject Social Studies and we are in session 23. You all remember students, we completed lesson number 12 and we are now starting lesson number 13. Lesson number 13, the title is Let us meet. Let us meet. What's the meaning of it, students? Means we are going to learn more about the great people of our nations, of our country. Got it? Who have contributed to our nation and country. The new people name we are going to see and their hard work, about their biography we are going to read it. This is Get Set, Match the Following. You just go through and do it by yourself. Shall we begin our class, students? As I read everything, listen very carefully. The page number 88. We are in page number 88, lesson 13. Let us meet. Human history is full of extraordinary women and men who have helped to improve our society in different ways. In history, there are extraordinary people. Extraordinary means those who are very great doing their work, very perfect, doing something different than other people. There are women also as well as men also. Such kind of people we are going to learn about them more and more. So let us read their personality. First we will see the scientist. Scientist. See the spelling for scientist. S-C-I-E-N-T-I-S-T-S. Scientist. The first scientist we are going to meet here is Marie Curie. Let's read with me. Marie Curie. This is a woman called Marie Curie, lived in the year between 1867 to 1934. Let's know more about Marie Curie. Marie Curie was a very famous scientist. Marie Curie known as a scientist. With her husband Pierre Curie. Husband name Pierre Curie. What she has discovered? Let's see. She discovered two new elements. She discovered what? Two new elements. What are that? Polonium and radium. This is scientist people only can do it. Okay. Polonium and radium. How she did? Polonium, this name discovered after her homeland. That is Poland. So Poland is her homeland. Radium was used to develop X-rays. Radium used to develop X-rays. Nowadays we have heard about taking X-rays, right? So she has discovered radium which is used to develop for X-rays. So two things she has developed, polonium and radium. So because of her hard work, the nation was awarded her the Nobel Prize. She was the first woman to be awarded with Nobel Prize. What a amazing great work she has done and awarded with Nobel Prize. Nobel Prize everyone will not get. Those who really succeed in life, those who go through all hardship and do great things for nation. So such kind of people get award of Nobel Prize. Not only once, she was awarded two Nobel Prizes. One in physics in the year 1903 and then the other in chemistry 1911. Totally she received two Nobel Prizes in the year 1903, next in the year 1911. one in the field of physics, another one in the field of chemistry. Listen very carefully. These names are very important. She is the only woman to have received the prize twice. No other woman have received the prize twice. By the way, she is the first one to receive Nobel Prize, and then she was the first one to receive two Nobel Prizes. Okay, 2 times she was awarded. Let's read again. Marie Curie, she lived in the year 1867 to 1934. She is known as scientist. She discovered two main elements, polonium, radium, and then she got Nobel Prizes 2 times for her hard work. One is in physics, another one in the field of chemistry. Okay, this is all about Marie Curie. Now we will move on to another great person of our nation, Sushruta. See the picture? Sushruta. He lived in 16th century BCE. Got it? What is more about Sushruta? He is mainly known as a surgeon. Earlier we saw a scientist. Now we are meeting surgeon. Surgeon means the one who do surgery. So he is called as a surgeon, and he is called the father of plastic surgery. He is the first one to do great things in surgery. That is also the father of plastic surgery. Plastic surgery is a technically improved surgery which people use to in human body. Doctor can plastic surgery can be used in order to replace the same skin like before. You may have also heard about it. He was an expert in removing stones from the kidney and bladder, treating fractures and performing eye operations to remove cataract. Not only a surgeon, plastic surgeon, in surgery he is expert removing stones from the kidney. People those who have kidney problem, mostly he is specialized to remove kidney stones, and then bladder, treating fracture. If anything bone fracture, he used to perform very good surgery in doing treatment for fracture. And then he is also very good in removing cataract eye surgery. He is very good in doing that. So that's why he is named as very good plastic surgeon. He is mainly known as surgeon. Before operating, he gave wine to his patient to numb their senses so that they could not feel much pain. In those days, there is no injection anesthesia. Nowadays we call the injection name anesthesia. They will give it to the person before going to the operation, before doing the operation, so that the person who go through the operation will not feel pain. But those days there is no anesthesia injection. So what he tried, Sushruta, he used to give wine. Those days might be a pure wine. Gave it to his patient to make them numb. Numb means they will not realize the pain, so that they can do the operation without having any trouble. Sushruta wrote, he has written Sushruta Samhita, a unique encyclopedia of surgery. This is the book he has written about surgery. Encyclopedia means everything, meaning any unique word can be found in the encyclopedia. So this is all about Sushruta. Okay, here we have fact wise. Jagadish Chandra Bose invented crucigraph, an instrument which records plant growth. He has invented a machine which can know and record about the growth of the plant. He proved that, like animals, plants also respond to heat, light, and cold. He is the only person who uh, recorded and found that plants also can respond to heat, light, and cold. This is just for our general knowledge. Now we will move on to next person. This is social reformers. We are going to learn about two more social reformers. The first one is Martin Luther. Martin Luther King Jr. 1929. He lived from 1929 to 1968. Martin Luther King Jr. was an American priest and leader. He is from America and he was a priest and leader. Priest means who do God's work. He fought to achieve equality and justice for the African American people who were treated unfairly. As you all know, in USA, America, United there are two groups of people in United States of America. One group named African American people, they look dark, and then another group of people, they are American people, they look very fair. So he fought for African American people because they were treated very low. So he wanted equality for both the side people. So he supported them and helped them. In 1963, he delivered the famous I Have a Dream speech. He gave a very famous speech about I Have a Dream. It inspired many Americans to fight for society where all people are equal. After hearing to his speech, many people inspired by his speech, and they were fighting for people's equality, people's right. And then in 1964, he was awarded the Nobel Prize. Martin Luther King, he was awarded for Nobel Prize for his efforts to improve the lives of African American. He was helped African American people to treat them equally with American people. So he was awarded Nobel Prizes. So he called as social reformer. Now after him we are going to learn about another new person, that is Savitri Phule. Savitri Phule. She lived from 1831 to 1897. 1831 to 1897. She also one of the social reformer. Mainly she known as a poet. Savitri, actually the full name is Savitri Bai Phule, known as a poet. She fought against the ills of the society. She protested against the caste system. She mainly fought against caste system, worked hard to promote the rights of women. She helped for all the women people to study. For women's right she fought and encouraged women's education. For girl child to study, she has fought a lot. Women's education, she has encouraged all the women to study. She and her husband Jyotiba Phule, her husband named Jyotiba Phule, founded the first girls' school in Pune. I have known this school. I was there in Pune, so I know the school in Pune, and the school started in 1848. In her honor means because of her hard work for her nation, for the encouragement of girls to study, the Maharashtra government have promoted to honor her. They kept her name for the Pune University. University of Pune now has been renamed as Savitribai Phule Pune University. Before the university known as Pune University, many people from other country, other nations, they come and study. And then in this famous college, because to honor her, Pune University now renamed as Savitribai Phule Pune University. I have been gone to this university, very great and very big famous university. That's all for today, students. The lesson, let us meet. Lesson number 13, we learned about scientist Marie Curie and another surgeon Sushruta, and then social reformers Martin Luther King, and then Savitribai Phule. These are the great people of our great nation, and that's why the lesson title, let us meet. Now we have met 1, 2, 3, 4 people. The great work is being appreciated. Now in the next class we will also know more about other great people, those who contributed. Thank you all for watching this video. Learn it and have a nice day.